Good morning, everybody. Just woke up. This is the third day in Italy. Today we going to the sea. I will make some drone shots. We bring also Luna with us. We also bought her a little boat. We bought her this small boat. Let's go. It's pretty hot. Now we're going to the sea. I will make some drone footage, and also we're going to eat one gelato, good Italian gelato, delicious.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wished for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, he probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Checking out tug, out of the mud. Bro, probably get picked up like a truck. Win in the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it is do it, no way around it. Before that we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage. I'ma always be solid, I'm a young brother with knowledge. Go do the science, dog. Always I'm like a pilot, dog. Look at my eyes, I'm tired, dog. The time that it takes, I'm aiming for the space. Gotta build my empire, dog. I make sales, not a buyer, dog. You don't compare, he a liar, dog.
Now we get here to the sea in Fossa Cesia. Now a few minutes and we go into the water. I also brought this to Luna. We will see how he rides this. Hey baby, you come with me, right? Oh, I really suffered with this. Not really nice, but we will see. Luna! Szép volt is. Just... De aranyos. How cute is he? Luna!
Writing in the margins of my mind all day. Sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. Water grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that were run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking with truths. Ain't no inches in the feed, just noise and flex. But I found God once in a vinyl set. Talk slow when I speak, let the moment.
Magdalena, bekapcsol.
I slept about half hour and now I think we're going to the shop. Tonight going to prepare carbonara. You know, my mother have an Italian husband. He like to cook Italian style. Best food in the world.
Stretch, learn peace ain't found, it's a thing you protect. Yeah, I vibe like water, I change and shift, but the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like smoke.
For Luna Bar, we're trying this one. Now we're going to home.
I drift like smoke, let the rhythm in my chest be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. What a healing don't shout, but it still got hope. Let it ride, let it be, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought runs.
Something is burning.
I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like.
It's crazy. It looks like some fire started in the forest nearby to my mother's house. So these other parts, there's also fire. Now I can hear the siren. And we can hear the cracking sounds of the fire.
Már nincs leoltottak szerintem. Már látod,
It looks like the firefighters have mostly put out the fire. Even there. Unfortunately, arson does happen here in Italy from time to time. This may have been one of those cases. Later that evening, I saw several police cars at the scene after the fire had been put out. I think they were investigating.